Great choice today with 2015 MKZ Hybrid. The Lincoln MKZ Hybrid brings together luxury and fuel efficiency. It's where the most fuel-efficient luxury car in America, with an EPA estimated 41 city miles per gallon, integrates seamlessly with power, performance, and craftsmanship, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated driver's seat, compass, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.